In this video, we will learn how to use recommended pivot table in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some sales data. Just select the full data, Ctrl plus A, and click on the insert. Click on the recommended pivot table. You can see here the recommended pivot tables mentioned here. When you click on that, the preview of the pivot table show here. Those you want to in pivot table, you can select it. You can see here the preview of pivot table. Okay, I want this first one, the cells, sum of cells. If you don't want any one, you can click on the blank pivot table. Otherwise, you just click on the OK. If I want this, just click on OK. The pivot table is ready. If you want to change after selecting, if you want to add something, you can add it. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.